So, discard number one here, and today I will be playing a game called Tiny Train. So, I already played through the tutorial, and I got a quest complete from the tutorial. So, collect. I guess stop at Baltimore. Okay, so okay, let's see here. Let me click on it and never mind. Okay, done. So let's go ahead and depart. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a try at this. Let's roll a car. We have 2 rares in this one. That's pretty good. I have a yellow passenger car. Ooh, that's good. Okay, we can roll another one. Oh, I think we got a rare. I think we got a rare. A park car. Ooh. Okay, and we'll do 2 more. Because I don't want to waste all my money. But this is kind of fun. Okay, so we only got a normal one again. Fruit car. Oh my gosh, that sounds yummy. I'm definitely adding the park car because it's a rare. I like how the game just stops in the background when we got the other rare. We got an old tanker. Okay. And done. Oh, what's this? Okay, so let's see here. Okay, let's add this park. Wait, hold on. Park car. Come on, put it in there. Hold on. Plus, there we go. Done. Every once in a while, my furniture explodes, so my TNT comes in. That's employee. That's passive services that improve as you level them up. Oh, them up. How do you level them up, you ask? The job board. Some jobs missing jobs. I've got some leads on a bunch of odd jobs you can do for people all around the world. I'll show you how to make on a good future, yada 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 yada. Yeah, yada yada yada. Okay, we got a job complete. Collect. Let's see what happens if we want to upgrade. Barely adds any weight at all. Okay, let's go back to the gumball machine. Oh. Oh, we only have the combustion engine left. Okay, that's why. Okay, so... I don't really know what else to do now. So sorry if this was a really short video. It was about 6 minutes long. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.